This is an unboxing and a review from me on the Galaxy Tab 3, so let's unbox it. It is the Gold Brown edition and 10.1. And what comes inside the box is manuals, micro, and then the charger port. So I think the Galaxy Tab is better, this one, than the old one. It's a lot faster and the processors is better, and it's the 4.22 Jelly Bean. It has where you can do the screen, the lock screen, where you can put your own stuff on it. I haven't done that yet. And then it has your music where you can play it with your voice. It has where you can customize the size of your widgets. So let's just say you want to use this. You could change the size of it. I think the screen resolution is better, even though it says it's the same. It seems better, and it's more better for the touching, so it's a lot faster on the processor. And overall, I think the tablet's a really good tablet, and it's worth buying for $400.